Hello everyone. Today I want to go through my clean beauty routine and also share with you some of my favorite clean beauty products. Now it's important to know that I am not being paid to promote any of these products. These are products that I have found to be my favorite through years of experimenting with other brands, and after doing some research and just kind of taking a leap of faith, I bought these products and wound up really loving them. So I wanted to share that with you. So what do I mean by clean beauty? Clean beauty is basically products that aren't going to have any yucky things in them, like phthalates, fragrance, well, pretty much no artificial fragrance, because artificial fragrance can have upwards of over 100 ingredients in them and that you don't know what they put in them. So I try to go with products that have essential oil fragrance because that's not artificial. Other things you want to avoid are GMOs and parabens. Also, it is important for at least me to go with products that are cruelty-free because there is no reason to test anything on animals whatsoever. No reason at all. So it's very important for me that the product has to be cruelty-free. I also like to go with products that have less of an impact on the planet. Okay, first, to save time, I already did this, but I want to show you that after I take a shower and dry off my face, I will put on this Cora Organics. It is an under eye oil. I'll just kind of roll it on after I get out of the shower and dry off my face. Now you can see that I still have it on, but I usually will wait about 10 minutes to let it sort of absorb, and it's been about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I will come back to the bathroom and I will put on my Pacifica. And see right there, you can see it says, hope you can see it says 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So this is Pacifica Glow Baby Vitaglow Face Lotion. It has vitamin C and vitamin E in it. See that? So I put it on all over my face, even my eyelids. Let's make sure it's nice and absorbed into my face. See how my eyebrows got kind of wacky? So I take my little eyebrow brush and I will brush my eyebrows. All right, after I put that on, I will go towards my concealer. I use Kosas, another cruelty-free brand, and this is their #1 popular seller, I believe, in their concealer. This is 4N. It's called the Revealer Concealer. So what I do is I just kind of like swipe it under my eye like that. Then I'll take my finger and sort of just like dab it in so I could get it nice and spread out under my eyes. And then I'll also put some on my nose because I do have a little bit of rosacea, so I like to kind of cover some of the redness in my nose and my cheeks. So I will dab that with my finger as much as I can. Once I'm done blending it in with my finger, I will then go and get my little blender sponge here, and I will just sort of finish off trying to smooth it into my skin as much as I can. I guess I can use this as a mirror too. Okay, so I will then put on foundation. I also use Kosas for my foundation. And it has, the nice thing about this is it has SPF 25 in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and then it has this, it's a pump. So I pump a little bit, just one pump on my fingers, and I smush it around on my fingers. And I just kind of like will go like if I'm putting on lotion. And I kind of just put it everywhere. even on my lips. Okay. Then when I'm done rubbing it around with my fingers, I have this trusty little foundation brush, and I will just kind of go around my face to make sure that the foundation is really in my face. You don't want to walk out the door and have like a foundation line on your face. That would just be, I guess, embarrassing. So once that all looks sort of smoothed in, so next I'm gonna go ahead and put on my eyeshadow. So my favorite eyeshadow to use is this creamy eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow from Beauty Counter. This color is called Dusk. So we're gonna put that on. Kind of has like an excess on it, so I'll always sort of just like smooth that off, get that excess off on top of the bottle. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. Pretty good. All right, when I'm done with my eyeshadow, sometimes I will put on eyeliner, but in this case, I'm not putting on any eyeliner. I'm just gonna go straight to my mascara. This is another Pacifica. This is the Stellar Glaze mascara. I like it because it's not too clumpy, and it's also kind of cheap. I feel like I get it at Target for like $12 instead of like $25 like some of the other clean brand mascaras. So I will just kind of put it on. And I'll also try to curl my eyelashes while I'm doing it. All right, that is good for me. My blush that I just bought, I can't tell if I like it yet, but I bought this blush from Honest Company. It's a lit powder blush, and the color is Foxy. So I'm gonna get my blush brush, which I feel like is giant, but whatever, I'm not gonna return it. So I'll just kind of dab it and I'll blow. I got a little bit too much there on that side. Well, it's a little bit more to make the other side even. And maybe some on my head. Then lastly, I will put on my lipstick. What I've been using lately is another Kosas product. This is the Kosas Wet Lip Oil. Really like it. Doesn't make my lips look too shiny. It's just about enough for me. If you like shiny, good, but I'm not really like a shiny. I don't like the shiny lips. And there we go. This color is Unhooked. So that's it. That is my clean beauty routine. I'm all finished. And I'm going to put the links to all these brands' websites in the description. And hopefully I can get you to also switch over to clean beauty products that are cruelty-free. All right, bye. One more thing, I just wanted to show you what the makeup looked like in natural lighting, because I feel like my bathroom lighting was not great. So this is what it looks like in natural lighting.